Hi everyone, it's Professor Hall. Welcome to week 15 of Women's Memoir. So, you have another paper. This time you have 2 weeks in which to complete it. It will be due week 16. Make sure that you note that it's due on a Friday, not a Sunday. I gave you guys until the last day I'm allowed to accept stuff. Everything has to be in by that point. For this week, you have a paper checkpoint. So I'm going to go into that folder just to show you guys kind of what's coming up. You can talk about Tender at the Bone, Girl Interrupted, or Member of the Family. I don't want you to talk about Helen Keller's autobiography, and we only looked at part of reading Lolita in Tehran. If you want to use reading Lolita in Tehran to compare it to one of our other books, you can do that in this number 4 comparison essay prompt. But basically, you're going to be choosing one of the following, just like you did for your first paper, Girl Interrupted, Member of the Family, or Tender at the Bone, and or you can do a comparison. You want to make sure for this paper, for this checkpoint, for this paper checkpoint, that you have 3 paragraphs. First, an introduction with your thesis. The second paragraph should be a short summary of the book you chose. And then paragraph 3, your first real body paragraph. So that's where you argue for your thesis. So that is your paper checkpoint. Just the 3 first paragraphs of your essay. I'm hoping that I can get in there and make comments, but we are near finals, so I may not have the opportunity to do that. In any case, the checkpoint can help you to pace yourself a little bit. Not try to put everything off until the end. You can do research if you want for this paper. It needs to be reliable research. You can also, in addition to the book, use some of the things. We had an author interview for each one of these books, so if you want to use that, if you want to use lecture notes, that's fine too. If you decide to use research, you need to put it in this first paper checkpoint, a link and a description of how you plan to use it or why, so that I can approve or tell you, like, no, it's not a good source. That's basically it. If you have a question, if you have a concern, just let me know. And otherwise, I look forward to seeing the first portion of your essay.